Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward tutorial on how to withdraw BNB from Kraken to Gemini in 2025. With the crypto world evolving rapidly, this process has some updated features for better security and efficiency. Whether you're a beginner looking to move your assets or an experienced trader optimizing your portfolio, this guide will get you through it smoothly. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kraken and Gemini. If you haven't already, download the latest apps or log into the web versions. Remember, always use two-factor authentication for extra security in 2025's enhanced protocols. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets section. Here, you'll see a list of your assets. Find BNB and click on it to access the withdrawal options. Pro tip: double-check that you're on the correct network, as BNB typically uses the BNB Smart Chain for faster transfers. Step 2. Click on the Withdraw button for BNB. You'll be prompted to enter the destination address. Now, switch over to your Gemini account, go to your wallet, and copy the BNB deposit address. Paste that into the Kraken withdrawal form. Don't forget to specify the amount you want to withdraw. Always leave a little extra for network fees, which might be around 0.1% in 2025. Step 3. Review the details carefully. Kraken will show you a summary, including estimated fees and arrival time. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction with your security measures, like email verification or biometric auth. Once submitted, you'll get a transaction ID. Save that for tracking. After that, head back to Gemini and check your wallet. It might take a few minutes to an hour for the BNB to appear, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on it, and if there's any delay, use the transaction ID to investigate. A quick word of caution: crypto transfers are irreversible, so triple-check addresses to avoid losses. Also, with 2025 regulations, ensure you're compliant with any KYC requirements on both platforms. If you run into issues, Kraken and Gemini have improved 24/7 support chats. And there you have it. Your BNB is now safely on Gemini. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.